Hello everyone. Today we will introduce the anti-static wrist strap. During the repair process, the chip may be damaged by static electricity. The anti-static wrist strap can protect your main board from electrostatic attacks. The length of the whole wire is 3 meters. It has good anti-static performance and can quickly export static electricity to avoid damage to electronic components. And it is easy to store and does not take up space. Let me show you how to use an anti-static wrist strap. First, we adjust the length of the wristband according to our wrist. And then we connect the wristband to the coil through this button. Then ground the clip. At this time, the static electricity can be exported. Okay, this is how to use the anti-static wrist strap. Thank you for your trust and support.